And we are back. Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Minutes Code channel where I will be explaining the solution of every problem of lead code and Geeks for Geeks within less than 5 minutes. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today's problem of the day is meeting rooms, which is marked as a medium level problem. Let's find out what we will be given into this problem and what we have to do. So we will be given one ARR of double array type, okay, integer type, and ARR length can be 10 raised to the power 5 max, and the elements between like in start in it will be 2 into 10 raised to the power 6. Okay, all right. So this first array, like it will be the outer array, its max length can be 10 raised to the power 5, and the internal array, that's this one, internal one, so its length will be only 2, starting and ending. Okay, all right, let's find out what this array signifies. Okay, so basically these are the meeting times. What does this mean? This means that first meeting will start at 1 and end at 4. Okay, another meeting will start at 10 and end at 15. Okay, you can take it at any as anything, hour, minute, or anything whatever you want. Okay, another will be starting at 7 and will be ending at 10. Okay, all right. Now we have to tell if it is possible for a person to attend all the meetings such that he can attend only one meeting at a particular time. Yeah, that's correct. Na? I can only attend one meeting at a time. Like at one time, I can attend only one meeting, and I have to tell in these meetings whether I will be able to attend all the meetings or not. Okay, so if I'm able to attend all the meetings, so I will return true. Otherwise, I will return false. Okay, all right. So here you can see 10 at 10, one meeting is ending. At 10 only, another meeting is starting as well. Okay, all right. So in that case, it will be able, like we can allow a person. So you can see in the note it is written as well. A person can attend a meeting if its start time is same as the previous end time. Okay. All right. I hope the problem description, problem statement will be clear. Let's find out how we are going to solve this. Okay. All right. So we will take this example. Look, the best way is to sort this array on the basis of this first indexes. Okay. All right. 2, 9, 12, like 2, 4, 9, 12, 16. Okay. I want to sort it on their first indexes. So on sorting on the first indexes, our new array will be something like 2 to 4, okay, then 6 to 10, and then 9 to 12. Okay, all right. Now what I will do, look, my first meeting, so okay, so I've got my 2, like the earliest meeting will be at 2 and the last will be at 12, ending at 12. Okay, all right. Now what I will check, first meeting will end at 4. Okay, first meeting will end at 4. All right. So if another meeting is starting before 4, I will return false. I will return false. Okay, all right. Otherwise, if it is starting after 4, so we can take this 6. Okay, now my this 6 will be ending at 10. Okay, my second meeting will be ending at 10. So if another meeting is starting before 10, I will return what? False. Okay, so here another meeting is starting before 10, I will simply return false. Okay, all right. Similarly, it can be like 2 to 4 and then there's another meeting from 2 to 3, let's suppose. Okay, then also we will return false because 4 and then the starting is 2, so we cannot attend them. Okay, this is how we are going to approach this. Similarly, if you will see this 1, 4, 10, 15, 7, 10, for first of all my meeting is ending at 4. Okay, another meeting is starting at what? 7, we can attend it. Okay, now we are busy till 10. Okay, all right, but like I'm getting free at 10. Okay, so another meeting is starting at 10 and ending at 15. Okay, so I can attend that as well. So I can attend all the meetings and I will simply return true. All right, guys, that was it. That's it. That was the problem. Let's find out how we can write the code of it. The code is also very, very easy. Believe me, it's 5 lines of code. Okay, I will simply write, first of all, as I told, I will be sorting the array ARR of, let's say I will be using something like AB and A0 minus B0. If you are coding in Java, you can use this. If you are coding in C++ or Python, you can write your own comparator function. This is just a comparator function with arrows. Okay, so we are sorting ARR, and for each array, like A will be having each array. Let's say 1, 4, and B will be 10, 15. Okay, so A0 minus B0 means sort on the basis of first indexes in ascending order. Okay, so this is what this means. After that, what I told, first meeting will be ending at what? ARR01. Okay, because ARR00 will be starting, ARR01 will be ending. Now I will start a loop from I equal to 1 because I0 is done. Okay, I0 I have taken. So I1, I plus plus. Now look, if what? My end is current end is at this, and if the previous meeting, if end is greater than ARR of I0, which means ki like this is a new meeting, this is a new meeting and this is previous meeting. So my previous meeting is ending, previous meeting is ending after current meeting, so I cannot join current meeting. I hope this will be clear. So I will return false, means I cannot attend. Okay, otherwise here I will return true, means I can attend. Okay, but if I can attend this meeting, so I will update my end because I am now busy till what? I am now busy till what? I am busy till ARR of I 1. Okay, so yeah, that is it, guys. I'm like, if I'm able to attend the meeting, I will attend, update my end. Like, I'm busy till I1 now. Okay, again it will start from the for the next array element, and at last it will return. So let's try to submit it directly. Actually, I haven't solved it yet. Meanwhile, if you have loved the explanation, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. And I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Till then, keep on coding and bye. And please like the video. Okay, so you can see it's getting accepted in first attempt only. All right, bye guys.